Hey y'all, it's your girl Jonique, and this is the Gas Gang. Alright, we are doing a motherfucking hot wing challenge. Challenge on challenge. You hear me? We got 3 real hot ass fucking wings from the 3 top chains out here right now. Chain girl drove around the city trying to get them, and we are here and we're gonna do this. So we have Pluckers, Fire in the Hole.
Oh, no.
We have Buffalo Wild Wings, Blazing, and we have Wingstop's Atomic. So you guys, we're about to suffer. Okay, we got our puke buckets. We're ready to go. We have milk, we have honey, we got our ice, and we got some sweet tea from Cane's, you heard? And I got, almond milk. So the first round, which one do you want to do first?
Neither.
I think.
Give me the hottest.
I don't know. We don't know what's the hottest.
I feel like Wingstop first.
Hell
yeah.
We know Wingstop.
They can't be that hot, right?
I mean, they gonna be hot, but I don't think they gonna.
Pluckers is gonna hit.
You think it is?
Okay, so I'm gonna give you
Oh, it don't smell bad. It don't smell like it's hot. My nose didn't burn, so
I'm not partaking in this portion of the show.
Let's go.
Yo, this
Hold on, we start?
Yo, this boy is red.
Y'all gotta give us like a.
This whole ain't even red. This whole burgundy. That whole
Oh yeah, cheers. Cheers. Let's go. So you ready? We start now, right?
Yeah, let's go. Go. I don't have no timer, but
Oh, yeah, fuck around.
Oh, this ain't that bad.
Shit. Yeah, let that boy sit on it. Quick. Question. We gotta eat this whole goddamn wing. Ooh, nope.
We could've did 2 of these.
You should. Oh, I pick my wings. I don't bite into them. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
A piece of slime just almost like kind of.
Hey, this wing was easy. Round 1.
That was good. Bro, you should be excluded in this competition, bro.
What you mean?
You got a trophy, my nigga.
That was an accident, man. I was just one of the big guys.
alright, y'all. Which one do you want to do for round 2?
Pluckers, man. Get that.
Nah, man. We gotta hit Buffalo Wild because I think Plug is the hottest.
Yeah, it's gonna be the hottest.
So why would you do that before?
I gotta get that shit out the way.
I'd
Then you
rather
want
be
it?
able to take an intermission after that really hot one. So we gonna do this one, please.
Okay.
Because then we gonna suffer.
Yeah, you gotta have the hottest for last, or what we think is the hottest.
Okay, which one do you want to flap again, or you want to drum?
I'll take a flat.
I think I'm flat.
That's a big flat.
I need you to dig through that power.
This is Blazing from Buffalo Wild Wings, round 2.
Round 2.
Alright, y'all.
Come on.
I'm not ready.
Come on, toast. Toast.
To suffering.
Oh yeah, you can't touch this though.
Oh, yeah, y'all are chicken. I almost forgot. I just felt left out of the toast. Okay. Alright.
It's got some good flavor. It's nice. It has a little sweetness to
It's
it.
not even hot.
Why were they crying?
Try a little bit.
Okay.
It tastes good though.
Okay. You taste it now? You're opening up. You good?
Yep.
Good over there?
Nigga trying to breathe.
Y'all, it's kind of really hot.
Okay.
Oh, it hits you after.
Oh, you fucked up. Once you start coughing, this is a wrap. And we might have to order some wings. I don't know.
My ears are
But you gotta
hot.
like give a little
My
kick.
ears are burning, man.
I feel like
touched
my milk.
No, they just burn. I'm
What you got
sweaty.
over
I'm
there?
hot.
Don't make me laugh because it makes me cough.
Just breathe.
Bro, this that shit make you mad, bro.
Yo, I'm dying.
At the last round, we gotta eat 2 wings.
Yo, why we sitting on it? That's why we sitting.
You ain't even.
You guys, round 2 is over. We're on to round 3, and that is Pluckers Fire in the Hole. The lady there was like, nobody ever orders these to go.
They even got fucking. Hold on, I'm still trying to get
Them
over
hoes
that.
was super saucy, nigga. 2 of
You
them.
gotta eat 2?
Dude.
Oh god.
I already called my last.
Ain't no time to be a pretty right now. Bro, my shit dripping on the lip. My shit dripping on the lip. Oh, hell no. This whole goddamn eat peppers on it.
Yeah, you
Now,
smell all the
Pluckers is
different
my
peppers they
favorite.
use. They used.
Yo,
They use
Pluckers
ghost
is-
peppers.
What?
That don't even sound attractive.
They use all the peppers. Let's go.
They fried this a little better. I like this.
You see me?
I'm not good. Hold over it. So I don't know.
It's good though. For now.
That boy got a lot of flavor.
Mm-hmm.
It ain't that bad, y'all.
Oh yeah, we on. I'm on this one.
Yeah. Yo, wait a minute.
You taste something?
Do you?
The heat is rising.
I think
One
I have
down.
another one.
Oh, we good. We gotta find some hotter wings.
Yeah.
Yo, this is alright, but them atomic boy, them boys hotter.
Hey, if y'all know some wings that's hotter than this, man, y'all put it in the comments.
You do it, Wing Champion.
A little bit dip.
We dip you some. Get the dipping.
Come on, man, come on.
What you mean?
Come on, let's go.
You eating hot wings, you act like you
Yo, look
trying
at
to
that, look at
cemetery.
that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, no. Damn. Nigga asshole gonna be hot.
Come on. Come on.
Sweet tea really helps. Y'all want some sweet tea?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can drink now.
Alright guys, we have finished round 1, 2, and 3. We are some champs, okay? You feel me? We snapped them things down like it wasn't nothing. We a little sweaty. Mouth a little
sweaty.
hot.
Nose a little runny.
But we are okay. So now we are going to eat the rest of them because fuck it. So everybody go ahead and get you one more of the pluckers. Alright y'all. This is a gas gang. And we out because we mastered it, okay?
Alright.
Put in the comments where some hotter wings are because we need it, okay?
We need them comments. Comment, talk to us. You know what I'm saying? Let's
Let
get
us
it.
know. Let us know. Fill us in.
Let's get it.
Y'all. That's the gas gang.
Yeah, yeah.